Hello everybody, what is up? Ryannespola out here with another YouTube video today. We got a beautiful day out here. We're about to go to this abandoned place. We are currently at this magnificent DIY skate park. And we have Silas.
Ryan and skating family. This new episode. We plan on going to an abandoned building later on in the day. Silas will be going to Shawty's house.
So currently we're just discussing the newest Riz strategies that we're proposing for Silas to use tonight. So what are you thinking about this Riz for tonight, Silas?
I'm going to start off with the pirate.
What's the pirate question?
So, here, let me demonstrate. You go, if you were a pirate, you'd rather have a pair on this shoulder or this shoulder. And then you start kissing.
So this is D1 Ancient Ohio Riz. And so right now we're just skating, discussing, you know, different Riz strategies. So yeah, epic skate montage. First one of those in a while. So guys, somebody has been spilling all this, whatever the fuck this is, over the park, and Ethan is being
Servant.
yeah. See guys, this is what it takes to be considered a Sigma.
You gotta get your hands dirty to be Sigma. No, an Alpha.
No, Alpha, not Sigma. Wrong word. Hooray! Well guys, I think we have spent our visit here at the DIY, landed some cool tricks. I think everybody landed theirs. Getting this shit the fuck out of the park. And yeah, so we'll move on to the next spot. Guys, Silas just got shit on by a bird. It is, as you can see in his hair.
How much is in my hair?
It's not like a lot, but there's definitely shit in your hair.
You should probably go on the wing scale and wash it up.
Great. Oh, this never happened before.
Dude, you know what? That actually happened to me before, bro. Dude, one time I was just sitting, bro, at the park, bro, and the fucking bird just shit all over my bag. We're skating this little metal thing, like a fucking ride on. Post shit interview. How you feeling about the bird shit?
Feeling fantabulous.
I think it gives your shirt a nice touch.
Yeah, and my hair.
Hey, do a kickflip. Poser. Yeah, who's that one guy calling you a poser, dude?
What?
Who's that one dude calling you a poser?
Who's calling me a poser?
I don't know. Some kid was like screaming at you. He said do a kickflip, and then
I think it was good. The guy who got shit on, dude.
Yeah.
Literally shit on.
He's definitely not a poser after that.
Are you calling me a poser?
No, I would never. Dude, I would never say such a thing. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure what happened, but I announced that I was doing a varial flip pretty much on a 7th there, which has been a multiple year battle. Now, my phone was having battery issues, so I guess this is probably part of the issue. I probably accidentally deleted the clip of me saying this, but pretty much this has been literally a 3-year battle trying this stair set. So yeah, so these are going to be the attempts of it. Yeah. Alright guys, little update. We're at Middletown. Obviously I did not land the trick. Just played some basketball. So,
saving for the edit.
Oh yeah, sure. I definitely am saving it for the edit. So, yep. Introducing Kevin to YouTube. What do you got to say to the fans?
AKA P-Rod.
AKA P-Rod.
Actually. It says home on board. There goes his boys.
This guy is formerly known as the Rizzler in these parts. So, I just know.
He is now?
You were. I looked you up on Google. So,
Shit.
yeah. He was in Rizzler's Academy with. You were with Kai Sanat and Aiden Ross, right? You were part of that class.
It was supposed to be in low-key Sigma.
Oh, okay.
I guess my cover got blocked.
I heard he is Cliffy Don and Sky.
So we are at the factory, me and Ethan. It's getting pretty dark out, so we'll see how it is in the factory. Yeah, really.
It's gonna be pitch dark.
Alright, we've made it in. Pretty cool view out here tonight. Great sunset, so I'm ready, guys. There's fucking asbestos in this place, so gotta be careful. So guys, we're running into some problems here. Looks like a lot of these entrances are boarded off. Try it at least?
Sure, you try.
God, this is stable. This is mad sketchy. Yeah, this thing fucking budding. Look how sketchy this is. What's it like in there, bro? What's it like in there?
Dark.
Dark and scary.
Climbing ladder.
Yo, what the fuck? Oh, you're tripping. That's sketchy as fuck. This is crazy. I'm being a little bitch, but it's fucking glass. What even is down there? All right, we made it up. That was honestly very terrifying. Nice.
Thanks.
We're just kind of finding stuff to throw off the roof.
Pickaxe.
Oh, yo, he found a pickaxe.
Get him that.
Yo. We'll save that one for later.
Yeah. That's how we're breaking through the barricades, guys.
Exactly. Oh, this shit is heavy as fuck. Alright guys, we're just throwing some stuff at these windows.
Total miss.
Yo, I lost a bracelet again.
That's
Dude.
off the roof,
Oh,
dude.
my bracelet.
Dude, didn't even crack it. It's kind of
Oh,
crazy.
man, that's some strong windows again.
This is the view. The goal is to get in there.
See, I don't know how we're gonna accomplish that. The entries are like blocked off.
There's a window we could definitely go through.
I'll have to figure out a way.
Yeah, there's got to be a way.
We're going into this place. There's some fire extinguishers.
First, man, you got the light.
Oh, fuck. Hello?
Dude, I'm like 90% sure it's how people die in horror movies.
What up? Yeah.
What's scary? 7 square or
This? Yeah.
We'll kick rocks if you want us to.
Okay, there's nobody here.
No chance.
This one's not as bad.
This is the view. This is Ryan facing his fears.
This one was not as bad as last one. This is fucking...
That's pretty light.
Oh shit. This one's late, but coming back down is a scary part.
We're gonna come back with an axe. We're gonna get inside that building. What merch is that, Ryan?
It's Ryannespola Co. merch. MILF, man, I love Fortnite.
Where can I find it at?
Exclusively on my Instagram page.
No way. What's your Instagram page?
My Instagram page is Nespola Co. And guess what? You guys can find this with the Shopify link on there. Now it's time to face my fear again, as I think Ethan is already down there just chilling in the dark like a true Sigma. Whereas me, I'm a little bitch when I'm in the dark alone in a fucking abandoned, whatever the fuck this is. This is something pretty cool up here.
Potential way in right here. It's a view inside the factory. You think you could crawl through that?
Yeah.
Deadass.
On a good day.
On a good day, you said.
No, I'm just kidding. There's no fucking way.
This is the size of Ryan. This is the size of the hole. Dude, you can just feel that nice breeze too. Maybe like get inside. Be crawling through it then, huh?
Yeah, that one.